So I gotta take these screws off and I gotta take the pedal off. So let me get that crank that I need this, right? It came with this on the end of it, but I guess it's for like a bigger type crank hole thing. So using this tool right here to take off this bolt right here. Actually, why am I taking that off? I don't need to take that off because I can't get this crank off. So I just gotta get the pedal off. The crank fix is for a later date because I would have to order a new crank for it, for the bike. Try and get up. Why is this pedal thing so tight today? You ever notice that the devil be trying to stop you every time from doing something? Why in the fuck is this so tight? That's why when you're putting on parts like these, guys, you gotta put some grease on it, you know what I mean? Because it makes it easier to take it off the next time you want to take it off. I think I'm about to put some grease on these before when I'm putting it in there, because I can be going through that back braking thing to try and get this thing off. So putting this part back now, and I really don't like something about this because this part of it is bent, right? It has a curve going up like this, and I wanted it flat, right? So at the back of it, these are sitting flush, right? But there's one that was cocking up, like sitting up. I just tried to tighten this screw tight enough to hold it down. But I'm still gonna put the bike together right now. I'm gonna pull these bolts right here. Yeah, I'll be watching a lot of fix it type shows, you know, when people make stuff and stuff like that. I'm into stuff like that, you know what I mean? Repairs. Call me a repair guy. So I've been caught out there a couple of days, you know, because I haven't been able to ride my bike. I've been ordering the new parts on Amazon, and a couple of them came in this week, and the nuts that I needed to put this together just came in today, so I'm very happy about that. Now let me shine my light, because you guys must see me working in the dark. One thing with these Bafang motors, they run good, but you also have to pull the covers of this to grease inside of there. I haven't greased it since I got it. I just seen videos of people greasing theirs, so I just tell myself I think I'm about due for that. So here's a piece that I'm putting on now, and I wish I had some washers to cover these holes. You see how they're wearing out? I wish I had some washers to put over this. But I don't have none, so I gotta just put it back like this. I wonder what would happen if you put it in backwards like this. I'm kind of feeling the black, but That's not the way it's supposed to go, so put it on the right way. And remember I was just talking about washers. This has washers on it already. The bolt. So I don't need that. I'm still pissed about not being able to get my cranks off, you know? Because I wanted to just change the pedal and everything. Not the pedal, change the crank. I made a mistake in my last video. I had mentioned something about pedal. It had nothing to do with the pedal. What I meant was the crank arm. You ever talk to me, just be talking and listen to yourself, what you're saying? Yeah, it's like the words just spitting out of your mouth and you're not paying attention to what you're saying.